Wagyu on a stick.
I want the strawberries. I want the strawberries.
You want the strawberries?
It's strawberry candy. That's
Go,
what I want.
go for it.
Can I get strawberry candy?
Hitotsu.
Do you want a
One.
Wagyu stick?
Is that one? I think so, yeah.
Yeah, one stick for 700. You want one? Oh, there we go. I can get my makeup.
ありがとうございます。
You good 500 yen? Yeah, I'll just give you the price.
はい、ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
これは何ですか?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, oh, oh. Ah, no, no,
No
thank you.
mayonnaise on your strawberry. Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
Alright. Oh. Mmm.
Let me have a bite of one of those. Mmm. 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 Wow. She like dips them in like a...
Sugar.
Yeah. You want to finish it
She
here?
heats up sugar until it turns syrup.
It's
Like
yeah, it's candy. It's candied them. Oh, the train's coming.
Wow.
That's so good. Tomate.
Mmm.
Yeah? You like it?
I must have caught that one.
Whoa. That train's moving, man. Damn, that was fast. Oh, just tell her, tell her. Gami bako.
Garbage?
お今これ、はい、ありがとうございます。これカードキャプターさくらですよね。
Oh, yeah.
ね、めっちゃ大好きさ。
Oh. I got the
ありがとうございます。めっちゃいい。
That was good. They told you. We see canned strawberry stuff.
And we did. And they were good. What?
Oh. Welcome, restaurants. Souvenir, dining space.
Whoa. Look at the traffic. Oh, that looks good. Are those like bean paste filled things?
I do want to try bean paste. Bread or curry bread is